Welcome to the second class of applique work, and in this class you are going to learn reverse applique work. In this you can have two different colors once again. You can have a lighter fabric and you can have a heavier fabric, like you can have a voile fabric or a organdy fabric, and then you can have a poplin or a cambric fabric. So the back side of the fabric is going to show. So this design is basically cut in 4 folds. So what you can do is you can fold the fabric like this first, and then fold the fabric like this, and then try to draw some design, and then you can have another fold also if you want, right? So but 4 folds is enough. So what you can do is with the scissor just cut it slightly, and then you can do any pattern. Now this pattern is also folded inside to secure the edges. Let's see how will you do it. So what you can do is you can take some leftover fabrics from any boutique. Like I source this ajrak print and this light blue fabric, so I'm going to put these two fabrics together. Now this fabric I will put it on top of this like this. So once you put the fabric on top of this, it will look something like this, right? So put lot of tacking stitches so that these two fabrics are secured together. So big stitches all over, right? And wherever you have the cuts also, you can put the stitches there also. Now this is a very basic design which I have cut, and I will cut this design on paper and show it to you. So what I have done for this design is I have folded the fabric. You can fold the fabric in 4 folds. So first cut on the paper and see what is the design you want to have. So also I had folded the fabric once again, and then what I've done is I have put these cuts like this. Just slightly put them in some shape and cut them. There should be distance because you have to fold on the fabric. So I've just cut one basic design like this. You can cut some leaves also, right? So any design wish. So it's going to look like this, right, on the fabric. So this is the pattern which I have made, right? Now this, once the two pieces are together, you can basically place the fabric on top, and then you can just fold the edges. Just fold the edges like this. These should go inside to create the pattern. So it will look like a small bird in the sky. So this is what I have done here. So the fabric was cut, it was pasted on this with these tacking stitches, and then I put some tacking stitches in between also so that the fabric does not shift. And then what I have done is fold the fabric on top. Just fold first. Hold it like this. So the moment it is, and put your nails just to flatten the fabric. So the fabric starts showing, right? Now put some tacking stitches. Always, for this, even when the artisans work with this, they will put tacking stitches first. To secure the edges, then it will be neat for you. The edges come out, just push them back again, once again. So you can still push them when you're doing this hemming also, still you can. So don't put any knot, because anyways you're supposed to remove it also. take the same color unless you want something in very contrasting color. See this. So I'm going to take the needle out here, and same like I've taught you for the triangles, do the hemming stitches. Now the back side of the fabric starts showing, right? So this is one very beautiful work you can get. So this is the basics. Thank you.